Create graphics that shine with solvent printable Solutions Metallic. Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahl's CAD Cut Direct, and welcome to our product presentation of Solutions Metallic. Solutions Metallic is that material that's a silver base, gives you kind of a bling bling type finish. When you print it with solvent inks, all the colors that you print turn metallic. You're going to see that in the video right now as we print it, cut it, weed it, mask it, and heat apply it. To weed the metallic, simply start at the corner and peel the excess away. With this material, sometimes you'll need to pull slightly and break at the edges to get a good weed. Overall, I would rank this material 3 out of 5 stars for ease of weeding. Then apply the mask. We'll use our medium tack magic mask. Position it back to the mask backing, and we're ready to heat apply. To heat apply metallic, set your heat press at 330 degrees and a firm pressure, or 7 on the Hotronix clam. Preheat to remove moisture and wrinkles. Position your design. Press for 5 seconds for the initial hit. Peel hot. Cover and press for an additional 10 to 15 seconds. And this is the finished result on a hooded sweatshirt with Solutions Metallic. Any color you print turns metallic. Solutions Metallic is lab certified for the following. So if you want to offer something different, something that says bling bling to your customers, try metallic. What else would you expect from the inventors of CAD Cut?